Prime Minister breaks ground for 700-room Trelawny Hotel, reveals plans to increase Jamaica National Service Corps, and welcomes new Youth Advisory Council of Jamaica. You're watching Jamaica House Weekly. I'm Andre Palmer. Prime Minister Andrew Holness was in Trelawny last week to break ground for Rio Hotel Group's 7th hotel on the island. The up to $100 million investment will see the construction of Rio Aquarel, a 753-room property. Mr. Holness says this is a welcomed investment in the tourism sector, estimated to employ 800 persons in the construction phase and 450 persons once the hotel's doors are opened.
It says something about the investors, but it does say a lot about the destination.
The Prime Minister says measures are in place to ensure that the project's environmental and social sustainability is maintained.
We must ensure that the community is involved, that community rights are protected, and that the community can truly embrace the project.
Mr. Holness says this is yet another indication that tourism continues to recover, bolstered by targeted collaboration between the state and private sector. In 2021, $2 million was earned and 1.6 million stopover visitors arrived. It's projected that Jamaica will close 2022 with 2.92 million visitors and total revenues of $3.58 billion. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has disclosed that government intends to expand the Jamaica National Service Corps, JNSC, to get more skilled labor into the workforce. The Heart NSTA Trust has also been placed on alert to ramp up its training to meet the needs of the labor market.
If we don't do that, then there can be no complaints if we have to import labor into the country. And we are seeing an increase in requests for labor, particularly skilled labor, into the country.
The Tourism Enhancement Fund TEF will be upgrading designated public beaches for Jamaicans to enjoy free access to the island's resources. Prime Minister Holness says where applicable, each beach will receive changing areas and restrooms, perimeter fencing, parking, children's play areas, seating, walkways, electricity and sewage treatment facilities. 3 beaches have so far been upgraded with several others tapped for improvements.
We hope to at least have one in every parish to ensure that our people can have the free access, benefit and use of what is theirs.
Road users are being urged to exercise caution as the nation experiences a rise in road crashes.
There is no need to be reckless. There is no need to be irresponsible. You will get to where you're going even if you drive a little bit slow, even if you drive with greater care, even if you stop and allow someone else to go. There is no need for this kind of abandonment of responsibility which we are seeing emerging post-pandemic.
The Prime Minister says there will be greater enforcement of the new Road Traffic Act. The head of government is making a special plea as the country continues to grapple with the Omicron and subvariants of the COVID-19.
Our advice and strong recommendation is that we continue to wear masks where necessary and possible, continue your social distancing, continue your hand sanitizing.
On Friday, the Prime Minister was in Kingston to welcome the new members of the National Youth Advisory Council of Jamaica. The cohort has been serving since 2021 and will continue to do so until 2023.
Even though you may not have experience, which is said to have taught wisdom, but we still expect you to be thoughtful in your words, in your speech, in your conduct. We still expect you to embrace a certain intentfulness, a certain deliberateness in your action, to be logical and reasonable, and also to be moral. Yes. In other words, we expect our young people to be leaders.
That's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Be sure to join us again next time for more of the news stories coming out of the Office of the Prime Minister.